Hello friends, it's Running Kimono and we're doing another gain video. So the magic of this is pairing these two digital coupons together and getting $10 of savings on a $25 basket. And yes, it worked for me multiple times and it's just really great. We're going to look at any day deals and then Saturday deals. And just to show you the receipt, this was done on Saturday, so it's a Saturday basket. And I got this whole basket of magic down to $3.65. So if the Dollar General is your store and you're somewhat familiar, I mean, by all means, go and make it happen, guys, because to see these prices when that 5 off 20 for the gain shows up, I mean, it's like a Christmas and birthday gift combined. It's really fantastic. And it's just and it only happens a couple times a year. It's quite rare, but when it happens, my goodness gracious, a lot of us go hard. Couple rules for you is to use the Dollar General app and to scan to ensure the digital coupons that we're discussing are in fact attaching. Definitely double check the prices. It seems with this inflation on Wednesdays or Thursdays, prices kind of jump. And I even noticed a price increase when I was typing up this video. This is in-store only, so if you want to mess around with the app and, do a curbside order or whatever, not going to work. It has to be in-store only. You can ask, sorry, it's not going to work. It has to be in-store only for the millionth time. All digital coupons are also of a one-time use, so if you used your gain coupon last week, sorry, it is only a one-time use. And not all stores this works too, so if you have issues, perhaps return an item and think on your feet, of course. Okay, the first deal that we have, deal number 1. We have the following digital coupons that we need, and this is an AnyDay deal. The 5 off 20 and then this 3 off 15. Both of these found in your digital coupons folder. There's no links or anything like that. We're going to be grabbing one of these Febreze small spaces. Don't be shy to look on end caps because they're throughout the store. It's not just in the scent care aisle. This guy is $3.25. We have this very generous coupon, which is a $2.30 off. As you can see, this little stack, the 5 off 20, the 3 off 15, when you see that, you know it's going to work. We're also going to grab this guy for $5.50. So it's a double pack of these car plugs with the gain logo on it, emphasis of gain. And then the digital coupons, again, is the $2.30, the 5, and the 3 off 15. Scan it and you know you're grabbing the right product. We're going to grab one of these detergents for $5.50. We have a $1 digital coupon that is attaching to our friend along with his big sister. And this guy jumped in price. So last week it was $4.50 and now it's $4.75. So they jumped that by a quarter. Don't think that we didn't notice Dollar General app. And just to show you the digital coupons that we need loaded for both of these products include the $1 for the softener and the $1 for the liquid. Now in the dollar spot, we have these little gain dish soaps. Definitely open up the Dollar General app and scan the barcode to see that the 5 off 20 and then the 3 off 15 are in fact attaching. It's working for me because we're $1 short on this basket, and I'll show you the numbers here in a second, but you need something cheap. Alternatively, dryer sheets also work, the smaller pack. So going through the math again, one of those Febreze small spaces with the gain for $3.25, one Febreze car clip, the double pack for $5.50 with the gain as well, one gain detergent for $5.50, one gain fabric for $4.75, and one gain dish soap found in the dollar spot for $1 on the nose. Adding all of that lovely merchandise up together, you got a total of $20. When the cashier is scanning all of my merchandise, that's when I usually punch in my phone number, just to note that. The cashier will hit the pay button. 5 off 20 and 3 off 15 will come off, along with $6.60 of digital manufacturer coupons. You're paying $5.40 plus your tax for the 5 items. Before tax, it's $1.08 per product. The next deal that we have, again, is another AnyDay deal, and this is just a simple one. So if you're like, I don't need that nonsense, I just need a quick deal. Again, we need the 5 off 20 and then that 3 off 15 digital coupon. Plus, we're going to grab the following 2 items that include one of these big mamas for $15.95, and then that little double car clip with the gain scent for $5.50. I think you could see where I'm going here with the mathematics. It's just super uber easy. And these are the digital coupons that we need loaded that I said at the beginning of this little dealio, the 5 off 20 and then the 3 off 15. We're going to grab this guy. Now, alternatively, if this liquid detergent is just not your thing, you can also grab, there's a container of the pods of the same price. So you pick one or the other for $15.95. Now we have this $3 digital coupon, so please make sure you have that guy loaded. And we have this guy too, we're going to grab for $5.50. Find it in the air care oil or an end cap. They have them throughout the store peppered around. And this is the digital coupon that we need loaded for this deal. Looking at the math, one of those big gains is $15.95. One Febreze car clip with the gain cent for $5.50. The total here is $21.45. Punch in your phone number, 5 off 20 and the 3 off 15 should come off, along with $5.30 in digital coupons. You're paying $8.15 for the two, considering that one of the products is a very large detergent, like for almost $16. I think this deal is not too shabby. Okay, now we have 2 deals for the 13th only, that day only. We're going to need our 2 best friends loaded that include the 5 off 25 and the 5 off of 20. So these 2. Just to give you a visual of our basket, we're grabbing 180 count of the dryer sheets, a Febreze small spaces with the gain scent, that double pack of the Febreze car clip, and then the gain softener for $4.75, and then in the razor aisle, they even increased the price on this. This is $5.35 for that Bic Soleil razor, and we have a $4 digital for that. So I'm going to show you all the coupons and where I found all this stuff in this store. So here is our friend for $7.75. I know the price of that recently went up by a quarter as well. And then we have the softener, and if you look at the tag, it says $4.75. So from last week, that's a quarter up as well. These are the digital coupons for the following products. We have the $2.50 off, so it's like bounce, comma, gain. So yes, it is attaching. And then the softener, the second digital coupon for our little best friend, this 2-pack of the Febreze car clip with the gain. We have this guy, and then we have that very generous $2.30 coupon. I really like this coupon. It's really been coming in clutch, as the kids say. And then we have our little small spaces. Look for it on end caps. That's where I've been finding it because a lot of shoppers have been going crazy for this one. And then we have the little digital coupon, which is $2.30 off. And then our friend, it's tagged for $5, but when I scanned it, it was $5.35. And we have that $4 digital coupon. I have an alternative item if you don't have this $4 coupon as well. Looking at the mathematics for this, 1 gain dryer sheet for $7.75, 1 Febreze gain that car clip for $5.50, 1 Febreze small spaces with the gain for $3.25, 1 gain fabric softener for $4.75, 1 Bic razor for $5.35, for a total of $26.60. As the cashier's scanning all your merch, that's when I usually punch in my phone number. Cashier hits the pay button. 5 off 25 and 5 off 20 are coming off, along with $12.10 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $4.50 out of pocket for the 5 items, shaking it out to 90 cents per product. This is extreme couponing and extreme savings. My goodness gracious, it's the best of all the gains, and it makes me so happy, this sort of a deal. I mean, it's really spectacular. If you were doing some other deal last week where you weren't doing a gain deal, but you used your $4 digital for the Bic, there's a $1 digital for this guy. I know it's not as spectacular, but it'll drop it down to $4 after the digital coupon, and it's another $5 item that you can like take out the Bic razor and throw this in, and it's a detergent product if that's your thing. Just an idea. Okay, this is the final deal that I have prepared for you guys for Saturday the 13th only. We need our 2 best friends loaded that include the 5 off 20 along with the 5 off of 25. This is what we're grabbing. One of those big mamas for $15.95, the Febreze with gain car clip, the double pack for $5.50, and then our little friend for $5.35, the Bic Soleil razor. Just to show you guys the digital coupon, this is for the car clips, for that massive container of the detergent and the Bic Soleil razor. Looking at the mathematics for this, very easy basket. One of those massive gains for $15.95, one of the Febreze car clips with the gain for $5.50, and then a Bic Soleil razor for $5.35. The total for this is $26.80 as the cashier scanning the merch, punch in your phone number, cashier hits the pay button, 5 off 20, 5 off 25 will come off, along with $9.30 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $7.50 for the 3 items. I think this is a very smart deal. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will be posting on Instagram, and at the top comment of this, I will have it pinned. Any issues, I'll let you guys know on Saturday morning if you're a Saturday morning shopper like yours truly. Again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.